Blue jays, with their vibrant blue feathers and raucous calls, are fascinating creatures. These intelligent birds are known for their mimicry skills, copying the sounds of other animals. They also have a remarkable memory, being able to remember the locations of thousands of food caches. Blue jays even have the ability to imitate human speech, although it's rare. In addition, they are great at spreading seeds, making them important contributors to forest regeneration. With their striking appearance and intriguing behaviors, blue jays captivate both bird enthusiasts and casual observers alike.